Hi guys, welcome back to this channel, Big Jonah. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to create any design using AI with your photo on it. Yes, as of recent, a lot of you have been asking me how I was able to replace the design with my own photo. And because of that, I said let me create a video specifically on how to create any design using your own picture, using your own photo. Maybe you are creating a design and then when you upload your photo, ChatGPT or the image generating application that you are generating your image for showing your face, or you are not able to achieve it. So because of this, that is why I'm making this video, to teach you step by step on how to create a design using your own photo. Yes, if you look at this design, I was able to design it with this picture, and this one I was able to replace it with this picture. So please, if you watch this video to the very end, make sure to follow the instructions step by step and you get the result. Okay guys, to do this, we just have to head over to ChatGPT, as you can see. So I'm going to create a design using any photo. Then we are going to replace the photo with our own photo. Do you understand? Okay, you know what? Let's create the type of design, exactly that type of flyer design that we did the other day, that type of church flyer design. Let's recreate it. Understand? Okay, now I'm going to type my own prompt. I'm going to type a detailed description of the church flyer that I want to create. As I always teach you, after you type a detailed prompt of the design that you want to create, then you tell ChatGPT to optimize it for you in order for you to get a better result. Then you have to copy the one that ChatGPT rewrite for you, edit it, and then go ahead and create your design. So now let me type my own understanding of the church flyer. You understand? Okay, now as you can see, I've already typed my own understanding of the flyer that I want to create, the church flyer. This is my own detailed description of the church flyer prompt that I want to create. So now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this my prompt for me, as I always do it. Do you understand? I hope if you have been watching my video, you understand what I'm trying to do. But don't be confused. The main purpose of this video is to teach you how to create any design using AI with your own photo. Yes, so I'm going to create any design, then we are going to replace the photo with our own photo. Do you understand? Okay, let's tell ChatGPT to act as a prompt engineer and optimize this our prompt for us. Okay, as you can see, I say act as a prompt engineer, optimize this prompt to get a better result. So with this, ChatGPT is going to rewrite this my own prompt for me in a better way, and then I'm just going to go ahead and copy the one that ChatGPT write and edit it to fit what I want. I believe we all understand, right? So let's continue. Go ahead and press OK. Okay, as you can see, now ChatGPT have rewrite a new version of this our prompt for us. So what I'm going to do is to copy this one that ChatGPT write and then paste it to edit it. Do you understand? Paste it. Go ahead and edit it. Edit it to fit what you want. Do you understand? Edit it to fit what you want. This thing should have been here. So you all understand. Most of you understand this. If you have been watching my video, you know what I'm trying to say. Go ahead, anything that you don't want there, go ahead and edit it. Do you understand? So after you edit it to what you want, all you have to do is to go ahead and copy it. You understand? Go ahead, select everything and copy it. Okay, now make sure to pay very close attention. Now I've edited it to what I want. Do you understand? I have to open a new page. Why do I have to open a new page? The reason is that ChatGPT have a way of recording your memories. For example, now maybe I've been using that same page, I've been using it to chat with ChatGPT with other things that is not even related to design. When you want to create your design, there's the way ChatGPT, this memory, there's the way the memory is connected. Do you understand? I don't know how I'm going to explain it for you to understand better, but I believe you understand it. ChatGPT have this memory. It's just like a continuous chat that you are chatting with ChatGPT. So that's why I always advise you to open a fresh page. Do you understand? So with that, it will look like you are starting a new conversation with ChatGPT. So always open a fresh page. Do you understand? Okay, now you have to go ahead and paste your prompt. Do you understand? The prompt that you edited. Do you understand? Go ahead and paste it. Do you understand? Okay, now paste the prompt. Go ahead and hit generate. Okay, now let's watch and see how the image is going to come out. Look at the prompt. Our image is being created. Let's watch and see. Okay, look at that. Do you see? Now look at the design. You understand, ba? Okay, now this is just an imaginary pastor. I just created it. Okay, now pay very close attention here. This is where the problem comes in. The reason why we are making this video is how we can replace this photo with our own photo using AI. Do you understand? Okay, now to do this, you have to come here and upload your own photo, the photo that you want to use, that you want to replace this one with. Go ahead and upload it. Let me say I want to use this photo. Do you understand? Now upload the photo like this, and then tell ChatGPT using this female pastor instead. Using this female pastor instead. You look very well. You see, but I say using this female pastor instead of the male pastor. Do you understand? And then go ahead and hit OK. Now let's watch and see if this pastor will be replaced with this female pastor. Do you understand? Now let's watch and see. Okay, guy, look at that. You see? Okay, now look at the female. What is the difference there? You see? Do you see something, right? Now look at her. Look at her. So guys, this is just it. If you follow what I teach you, believe me, you get the result. There's no any change there. Look at it. This particular picture doesn't have a background. Do you understand? This one even look more lighter. The highest thing that ChatGPT will do is to make it more lighter, because this picture is actually blurred. I just get it from online. Do you understand? You see? Look at her now. Look now. Tell me the difference. Look at the picture that we look at it. Do you understand? Now look. Do you understand? So this is how to create any design using your own photo instead. Do you understand? I felt so bad when a lot of you come to my DM that, oh, I'm not getting the result. It's really painful, because this platform, I don't just want to use it to do what I know is not working. Before I upload any video, I make sure that I do it and it works. I'm not going to lie to you. Do you understand? And this is the example here. Look at the female pastor. Is there different there? Let me set it very well. You see? Look at it now. You see, ba? So there's no any changes here. Oh. There's no changes. And for those of you saying that I'm using pro version, now let me show you today. Thank God I remember. See, but for those of you saying that I'm using a pro version, you see, upgrade to plus. I'm not using pro version. That is why you are seeing this upgrade to plus. See, but if I click, you see, upgrade to plus. I'm not using a pro version. It is the free version that you are using that I'm using. Do you understand? Okay, now what if you want to use your own image instead of this young man? Do you understand? For you to do that, just come here and attach your own image. Do you understand? Attach your own photo. Let me say I want to use this photo. Then I'll tell ChatGPT use this photo instead of that male. You see, use this photo instead of that male. Do you understand? And then I'll go ahead and hit OK. So with this, ChatGPT is going to use this woman instead of this guy. Do you understand? Let's watch and see the magic from ChatGPT. Okay, guy, look at that. You see? Look at the female that I used instead. Look at her. Do you understand? You see, right? Okay guys, now let me show you another way around, another way that you can do it. Also, if you get a prompt or maybe you write a prompt, let me show you another way around. Do you understand? Another way is that now you have our copy your prompt. Do you understand? This prompt, go ahead and copy it. You have your prompt, right? Let me say you have your prompt. Then upload an image, upload the picture. Let me say I want to use this same picture. Do you understand? Now see what I'm going to tell ChatGPT. Now I'll tell ChatGPT the same thing I say, using this female, because of my prompt. If you look my prompt very well, do you understand? If you look my prompt very well here, you will see a smiley, well-dressed black male pastor in black suit. That male pastor, now I need to let ChatGPT know that I'm changing this picture. Do you understand? I'm changing this male pastor picture. Do you understand? I need to let ChatGPT know. Now see how I'm going to do it. See what I'm going to do. Using this female pastor. Using this female pastor instead of the
male pastor, the same thing that I write the other time, sort of the male pastor. Do you understand? And I give, what do? I give comma. Do you understand? And I put, you see, and I put the prompt. Do you understand? Are you getting what I'm trying to do? Now I upload the picture and I say using this female pastor instead of the male pastor, and then I put my prompt. Do you understand? Now let's go ahead and hit OK. Okay, look at that. You see? Look at it. Look at the design. Do you understand? Look at the design very well. You see, ba? I look at the woman that I use. Look at the design. You see, I was still able to achieve the result. Okay guys, another way you can achieve this and edit your design is that go ahead and click it, and then you see if you look very well, you see edit. You understand? Go ahead and click it. So with this, anything that you want to change there, either the background, the text, the picture, if you want to change, you can say change the background. Do you understand? And ChatGPT is going to change the background to, maybe say I say change the background to red, right? And ChatGPT will change it to red for me. And then if you want to edit anything that you want to edit it, just come here and then command it to do it, and it will do it. If you want to if you want to change the image, you can go ahead and upload the image. Maybe let me say to change the image back, you can go ahead, upload the image, and then write it the way I write, and then say use this image instead, the way I prompt the other one. Then go ahead and say use this image instead. I would have done it, but if you look very well, this thing is giving me red. Do you know why it is giving me red? I have uploaded I've generated and uploaded 3 pictures. Do you understand? I cannot upload any picture again, and I cannot generate any image again till tomorrow. Don't go and cast me. I have like 3 accounts that I used to use. So as this one finished, like this, as me, if I want to proceed with another thing, I'll log into another of my account again. I have like 3, so with that I can generate up to 9 images. This is wrong. I'm not saying you should do it. Please don't do it though. So guys, I believe in this video I was able to teach you how to create any design with AI using your own photo, right? A lot of you are on my DM saying you are not getting it right. So if you follow this instruction, believe me, you'll get your design done perfectly. Do you understand? And like I said, I'm not using a pro version. I've already showed you. I don't even have money to go and upload. You see, 16,000 monthly. We won't say 16,000 for now. I don't even have money to pay for this one. For now, I don't even have the money. So I'm using a free version. This YouTube account, I'm not actually earning from it. Like, yes, in future, maybe I may earn from it. I pray so, but currently, 5 naira. No, except someone gave me dash me money. And I was very, very happy. That was the first money I earned on YouTube. Someone dashed me money like that. You understand? The person watched the video and he appreciates it, and I love it. That money go a long way for me. So this is it. So I love you all. I love you all. Please don't forget to engage this video. Like this video. Please don't watch and just ask for prompt and then you are not engaging me. Your engagement is what is keeping me creating. Please, I'm begging you. Okay.